Guess what we are cooking today? Did you guess it right? It's fried bananas, raw bananas, shallow fried. So take bananas, wash them nicely, cut off both the ends, peel off the skin, and then we are going to slice them. This part is a little bit tedious. And then make slices, not too thick, not too thin. So the bananas, which I have this size, I can make 3 slices out of one banana. Put some salt in water and keep the banana slices in that, because we are going to make spice mix and it'll turn brown, the banana slices. So red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, and we are going to add ginger and green chili paste. Add some lemon juice. Traditionally, we use tamarind pulp for this. Mix it very nicely. Add 1 teaspoon of water if the spice mix is too dry. But when we are putting the banana slices from the water, it will carry some water. So put water later on in the spice mix if it's too dry. Coat every banana slice very nicely. Before that, we'll add some salt and coat them very nicely and let it marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes so that all the spices get soaked in. They look beautiful. So now for the coating, I'm going to take some rice flour and semolina. Add some salt to this if you like, a little bit of salt, because banana already has salt. So mix it well and coat each and every slice and keep it ready. So when your pan is hot, you can arrange all the slices on the pan. So coat it very nicely. The semolina will give a nice crunchy texture to this. Add some oil. Coconut oil goes well with this, but feel free to use any oil of your choice, any cooking oil. So I'm going to place this banana slices on the pan. Make sure if some slices are thick, put it in the center and the smaller one on the side. Cook it, cover it and cook it on each side on low medium heat for 3 minutes each, 2 to 3 minutes. Add oil in between if needed. So I'm going to flip it again, adding a little bit of oil. And how we are going to check is put the fork, and if the fork goes through well, it's cooked. So it's ready. Enjoy this with rice and dal or just as an appetizer. I love it with just plain rice, dal, and these banana slices. They are soft from inside and crunchy from outside.